Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do reading here for all of you. This is collective reading. I'm going to do current feelings of your partner, what your partner is thinking of you, or what's coming in your life. We'll do that. Okay, let's get started. Let's just shuffle the card. What's coming for you? Please universe guide me what's coming for my viewers. What's the current feelings of my viewers partner right now? Okay, so many cards has come already. Wow guys, like very beautiful card has come. So right now I can definitely see that. Okay, let me get one more card. We'll begin with the reading. Let's see what's coming in my viewers life. What's the current feelings of my viewers partner? Please universe guide me. We had the Sun card. Wow, Temperance. Definitely it had to come. Okay. So these are your cards, guys. You have got the Devil. You have got 3 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, 4 of Wands, 8 of Wands, Death card. You have Judgment, the Fool, Knight of Cups. You have 6 of Wands and 10 of Swords, and also Temperance card. Okay, let's see and let's get into the reading. Okay, for many of you, I'm seeing definitely a change is happening with the Death card. Transformation is happening here. Okay, जो भी पहले का आपका पास्ट रहा है इस इंसान के साथ में, चाहे वो ख़राब हो या अच्छा हो, जैसा भी रहा है, मुझे यहाँ न्यू बिगनिंग होते हुए दिख रही है. कोई आपका डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम जो है वो एंड होते हुए दिख रहा है. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिख रहा है विद दिस डेथ कार्ड. एंड न्यू बिगनिंग इज़ अबाउट टू कम. नया शुरुआत हो रहा है, न्यू बिगनिंग हो रही है आपके साथ, इस इंसान के साथ में डेफिनेटली. मैं लाइव आई थी अभी रिसेंटली एंड मुझे ऑलमोस्ट ये जो एक एनर्जी थी वो एक रिकन्सिलिएशन वाली, कम्युनिकेशन वाली दिख रही थी. और यहाँ पे भी मुझे सेम एनर्जी दिख रही है. कोई टॉक्सिसिटी भी दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे, जिसकी वजह से आप दोनों में लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ या कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हुई जिसकी वजह से रिलेशन आपका बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गया. हो सकता है उनको एडिक्शन हो या उनको स्मोकिंग का, अल्कोहल का एडिक्शन हो, या थोड़ा टॉक्सिक बिहेवियर हो उनका. उनको कोई ऑब्सेशन हो सकता है किसी चीज़ को लेके बहुत ही ज़्यादा. आई कैन ऑल्सो सी ब्लैक मैजिक हियर. सो आप यहाँ पे ईविल आई दिख रहा है. सो प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम ईविल आई गाइज. Wear black thread or something just to kind of protect yourself. I am also seeing communication is coming. If you are in no contact, if you are in separation, definitely a person will contact you in 8 days. Okay, 8 is an important number here. Yes, 8 days, 8 weeks, they might communicate with you. They are coming towards you. With the 6 of Swords, I'm seeing that they are entering in your life and they are going to communicate you very soon. Communication is there. I'm seeing people are involved in your relationship, or people can help you, can guide you, and you can take help from others also for the guidance. Yes, 4 of Wands. Definitely I'm seeing a happy time, celebration, joy with this person. They will communicate you for better relationship, for better time, for a peaceful time, harmonious time, because we have Temperance card here. You are healing, your person is healing, self-improving themselves. I'm seeing stable relationship. I'm seeing peaceful time that's coming towards you. You are hurt here. Definitely you have been hurt. You have been stabbed by this person. And definitely they have given you lots of pain, painful ending, or some sort of betrayal I am seeing, but they are going to communicate you very soon. Death card is bringing you peace here because we have Temperance here. That means that beginning and new chapter will bring harmony and peace in your life. You will feel better, you will feel more motivated. Definitely new beginning is there, confirmation. Death card and the Fool. Okay, these both shows new beginning is happening in your life very soon. I can also see that this person could be judging you before, but now they are making a choice to come towards you. They are making a choice with the Judgment card here. यहाँ पे जजमेंट कार्ड से दे आर मेकिंग अ चॉइस कि वो आपकी तरफ आना चाह रहे हैं. With the Knight of Cups, they can get a romantic proposal for you. Romantic proposal लाते हुए दिख रहे हैं आपकी तरफ definitely, and I'm seeing victory and success in this relationship. ये रिलेशनशिप में अगर वो वापस आ रहे हैं तो मुझे डेफिनेटली विक्ट्री दिख रही है, यहाँ पे सक्सेस दिख रहा है इस रिलेशनशिप में. एक सक्सेसफुल रिलेशनशिप बनाना चाहते हैं आपके साथ में, रोमांटिक प्रपोजल लाते हुए दिख रहे हैं. आप अगर सेपरेशन में हैं तो डेफिनेटली अ पर्सन इज रिटर्निंग बैक with a romantic proposal. They want to clarify everything. This तरीके से if you see the water is so chaotic right here and so turbulent. ये आपको एक स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप देना चाहते हैं. दिस बोट इज गोइंग टू अ स्टेबल प्लेस और स्टेबल वाटर. ठीक है, जिस तरीके से ये आगे बढ़ रहे हैं मॉडरेशन में धीरे धीरे बढ़ेंगे आगे और आपको एक स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप देंगे. मुझे ऐसा दिख रहा है ये कार्ड से. Yes, you have been hurt a lot by this person. Definitely, things have not been very nice between you two. चीज़ें ख़राब हो गई थी आप दोनों के बीच में, बट मुझे यहाँ बेटर रिलेशनशिप भी देते हुए दिख रहे हैं आपको. You have to be very careful of the evil eye or any black magic or any toxic pattern. You both are not able to let go each other because you guys are chained up together. बहुत ज़्यादा attachment है एक तरीके से. अगर वो इंसान थोड़ा टॉक्सिक भी बिहेव करता है तो भी यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट ओवर दिस पर्सन बिकॉज यू लव योर पार्टनर. बट आई एम डेफिनेटली सीइंग दैट दिस पर्सन लव्स यू एंड कमिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कम्युनिकेट विथ यू. आपको स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप देना चाह रहे हैं और एक बेटर लाइफ आपको देने के लिए ये आपकी तरफ एक्शन लेते हुए दिख रहे हैं. Please guide me what's coming for my viewers. Please guide me what's coming for my viewers. Okay. If you see two card flipped, the Sun card. What did I say in the beginning? The Sun card, definitely it had to come. Okay. Positivity, success is coming towards you because your partner is thinking of this relationship. They want to put effort. They see you very kind of caring person in their life. Okay. You are going to be very happy. You are going to be very happy with the Nine of Pentacles here. I'm seeing you are having a good time. You are happy, independent. You have money in your life. You have positivity in your life. You are constantly fighting with all the problems you have in your life. Okay, and you are defending yourself from all the troubles, from all the pain. Definitely I can see that. Let's see what else. Please universe guide me what's coming for my viewers. Yes, you are very courageous. I can see that. See, you're very caring. You have cared for this person a lot. And the way यहाँ पे ये लेडी एकदम संभाल के रख रही है ये रिलेशनशिप को, उसी तरीके से आपके पार्टनर इस रिलेशनशिप को एक केयर करेंगे आपकी तरफ. एक नर्चरिंग नेचर होगा. यू हैव बीन लाइक अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन हियर. ठीक है, और आपके ये करेज से स्ट्रेंथ से आपको मुझे सक्सेस मिलते हुए दिख रही है. प्लीज गाइड मी व्हाट्स कमिंग फॉर माय व्यूअर्स. कमिंग फॉर माय व्यूअर्स, प्लीज गाइड मी. आपकी तरफ डेफिनेटली ये पर्सन मूवमेंट लेते हुए दिख रहे हैं मुझे. दे आर थिंकिंग टुवर्ड्स यू बिकॉज दे आर नॉट ओवर योर मेमोरीज. दे आर नॉट एबल टू लेट go of you, of this relationship, of all the time you have spent together with this person. They really want you back in their life. Okay, they are thinking to come towards you. Definitely, yes, you are feeling very suffocated. You are feeling very kind of demotivated. Negative thoughts are impacting you. Okay, you are not able to sleep properly also at night. You are feeling like victim here. Your person is juggling with two situation or priorities in their life, or you could be juggling with so many priorities in your life. But definitely your person will take stand here. They will take a decision. They are taking decision to come towards you with the Knight of Wands. Definitely I can see that they are coming towards you guys. Communication is coming for so many of you. Your person is taking stand for you. Okay, because you have shown so much of courage. You have shown that you have respected enough yourself that your partner now is valuing your relation and you. I'm going to do some oracle messages for you. What's the feeling of your partner? Please universe guide me. What's the feeling of my viewer's partner for them? Okay, let's see what are the messages for you. What are some oracle message I can tell you? The hidden truth or their true intention towards you or their feelings for you. We'll see that. Okay, let's see. I wish I could take back my words. Definitely they have said something, that's why you are hurt here. Okay, that's why you feel like this, because they have done something to you. They have said something to you like that, and they are wishing, I wish I could take my words back. They are thinking, I wish I could take my words back. They have said something very bad to you. I wonder if you are happy without me. Separation में हैं आप जो लोग. They are thinking कि क्या आप उनके बिना खुश हो. They are thinking that if you are happy without me. Okay, I'm not available. हो सकता है उन्होंने आपको ये बोला, I'm not available for you, I don't have time, I can't commit, जिसकी वजह से लड़ाई झगड़ा आप दोनों में हुआ है. ठीक है. I look for you everywhere. Now they are missing you. They want you back in their life and they are saying I look for you everywhere. They are looking for you everywhere. They want, whatever they do, they kind of miss you and that reminds them of you. They know they messed up everything. ठीक है. I know I messed up everything. They are saying that उनको पता है कि उन्होंने चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा messed up कर दी हैं. I want to feel that way again. तो जैसा आप दोनों के बीच में पहला रिलेशन था वो फिर से उस तरीके से फील करना चाहते हैं. They are saying I want to feel that way again. You are the best thing in my life. Okay? They are saying you are the best thing in my life. अब उनको ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ हो रही है, अब उनको रिग्रेट हो रहा है that you are the best thing in my life. Definitely. उनको इस चीज़ का रिग्रेट हो रहा है and they want to come back in your life. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. So they are saying that it was hard for them to let you go, but they made a decision. They treated you bad, but now they are regretting that decision. Finding out the truth, trust me. Now something has happened which has opened their eyes. अब उनके साथ तो कुछ तो सच पता उनको चला है या कुछ तो उनको हिट किया है जो उनकी आंखें खोल दिया है और उनको एकदम क्रश कर दिया है. जस्ट बीइंग नियर यू इज़ सो इंटॉक्सिकेटिंग. सो जब आप उनके आसपास रहते थे, उनका केयर करते थे, उनको बहुत अच्छा फील होता था. उनको जो स्ट्रेस होता था उनका सारा आपके रहने पर उनको बहुत काम फील होता था. उनको अच्छा लगता था आपके साथ रहना. आई वॉन्ट टू रीच आउट बट आई एम अफ्रेड. वो आपसे ज़रूर आपके पास आना चाह रहे हैं बट उनको डर है कि आप उनको वापस लोगे कि नहीं, आप उनको एक्सेप्ट करोगे कि नहीं. आर यू एंग्री विद देम. तो उनके मन में ये चीज़ चल रही है. दे वॉन्ट टू रिटर्न बट दे आर scared that what if you are going to take them in their life. So they are afraid about that. They want to reach you. Definitely they want to come back in your life again. I'm so attracted to you. They feel attracted towards you. They want you back in their life and they are regretting that whatever I have done I should not have done. मैंने जो किया उनको शायद वो नहीं करना चाहिए, तो उनको ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है और उनको लगता है उन्होंने चीज़ें मैसअप कर दी हैं. अब उनको इस चीज़ का रियलाइजेशन हो रहा है. दे आर रियलाइजिंग दिस थिंग. ओके, एंड they want to come back in your life. They want to put effort. They want to give you happy family. You have shown courage in your life. ठीक है. You are going to be happy. Yes, the sun card is there. Positivity is there. Success is there. Good time is coming and you are going to have very blissful time, very happy time with this person. And I'm also seeing communication. Very soon they are going to communicate you. They can call and message you and they can express their feelings. So this was your reading, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you are resonating with it. Please let me know I'm going to see you in my next reading very soon, and join my live around 11:39. I'm taking personal reading for free this month. From next month it will be chargeable and just for 50 rupees. So yes, see you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed the reading. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye guys.